Guys, oh my God, I gotta tell you this story. Guys, it's Carpet Cleaning Training with Dreddy, back again with another video. We just got done doing some carpet cleaning over here in Old Winter Garden. If this is your first time coming through the channel, hey, let me get a like, you know, subscribe, please. So, all right, just got done with a client, and look, we don't ever tell anybody to tip us. But, you know, you do a good job and people appreciate it and they recommend you to other people, you know? But in all my years of doing carpet cleaning, you know, I got some pretty nice tips and stuff like that. You know, one of the highest tips I ever got was 50 bucks. And 50 bucks to do, I think it was just like $25 worth of work. All right, but that's what they tipped me, okay? I think they got some job, you know, some work before. But anyway, this today, what I'm about to tell you is awesome, man. Yo, it's not how much you give, but it's what you give. Let me show you guys something. This lady went downstairs, right? And as I'm rolling up, they didn't have no cash. She wanted to put cash on the credit card machine, right? I'm like, oh man. Well, I didn't say oh man, but in my mind, I'm like, you know, usually if I get paid, if I get a tip by credit card, I won't see that tip for 2 weeks. So I usually say, you know what? It's better you tip me in cash. This lady went down in her car. She says her mom, I guess, just had, you know, they just had Easter. But this is something her mom does. Her mom does origami. This is where you put paper into shapes. So she did some stars. This lady went down to her car. Her mother sent her some money, all right, in origami. Made it into a star. And the lady decides to give me the money. Look at this. I just got some of it. She was trying to unwrap it. I was like, it's okay, you know. And this was all, it was all like this. So you can imagine, she already started breaking it down. All right, so I think this was in the middle, something like that. And this was like that, and this was like this. This was probably somewhere like this. Then let me go in my pocket, because she gave me a 10 first. But anyway, guys, this is 10 bucks. I'm thinking she gave me a 10 already, another 10. Unless this is a 10. All right? But you can see how intricate. Somebody spent time breaking that up. Okay? This is a 5. I gotta spend time taking this apart. So 5. This is another 5. So that's 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. And I think she gave me a 10. I might have to walk back over there. Unless this was the 5. But hey, $27 in origami. Guys, oh man. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the Most High. Now I'm going to fill up my tank. So that's what I wanted to tell you. God is good. It's Friday. Yeah. Money comes to me in abundance. Money comes to me. Say the affirmation. Money comes to me. All right, guys. Peace. We out.